YouTube friends, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. In this video, I'm going to be doing a watch me work. Plus, I'm kind of going to be showing you guys how I apply my foil on my hands. I always used to struggle with foil and never used to use them, but now I'm kind of a pro. So I'm just going to be showing you what to do and how to apply. So stay tuned. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into this video. This is the Acrylic foil gel that I got off Amazon. I've been using this foil gel for a little while now. So what I usually do is I just take the foil gel, I put a coat on, I'll put it in the UV light for about 60 seconds. Then I will take the nail out and then I'll place my nail foil on top of whatever design I want in any place I want on the nail tip. I'll press down, I'll press all over the sides, I'll press in the front of the nail, I'll push into that foil glue until I feel like it's all in there. And then once I feel like it's all in there and it's all ready for it to come off, I'll remove the nail foil. And if there's any spaces that are, missing, I'll take the foil and I'll place it back on there again and press into it to make sure it actually stays down more this time. And you could keep doing it until you get the design that you're looking for. There's no right or wrong way to kind of do this. I only placed it on the nail tip. I did not place it on my actual nail. So keep that in mind when you're doing this. So here is where I would cap my foils. I'll take a small bead of acrylic, place it on top of the foil, and just gently swipe it down so I will remove any of the foil. Because if you don't cap it with anything or put anything over top of the foil, when you do apply the acrylic will kind of remove the foil from the nail tip. So that's why I always cap it before I do anything else with the foil. Thank you guys for watching my video. Again, if you could please comment and subscribe. If you guys do have any ideas or suggestions you would like me to do in any of my upcoming videos, please comment below. Thank you. Bye.